Good evening, everyone. My name is Nikisha Evans. Please excuse my voice. I have a very bad sinus infection, which is a horrible time to have the sinus infection. I will be doing my field placement at a community-based agency where I'll be learning about foster care and adoption. I'm so eager to learn the opposite side of what I do in my own current career. Um, so instead of me just submitting the referral, I will be the person who will get the referral and figure out the process after what goes into the next steps after you receive the referral. Which makes me so excited because that brings everything to a full circle for me, and I will just know the ins and out of both sides of foster care and adoption. I am a little concerned about COVID and how it may impact my internship. I just pray that if COVID comes back full force, that we're able to get it under control and we can get back to experiencing this great opportunity that we have. I am going to do a lot of self-care. I believe that self-care and time management is up there on the same level planes because that will help me manage my excitement and any concerns that I'm having. Like, for instance, I'm going to take off tomorrow and deal with the sinus infection so I can hit the ground running on Monday. I look forward to watching all of you guys' videos, and I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the week.